Welcome to Feisty Marketer. Today, I will tell you how to make an account on Fiverr. Let's get started. Search Fiverr on Google and click on second option. Here it is the Fiverr screen. The upper section have some categories. Then click on Join section. After that, here are also some categories through which you can join Fiverr. I will suggest you to join via email. After that, you have to select your username. You should try to have a username related to services you are providing to people. I choose my username Javiria Graffer. You can write your username up to your skills. And choose the password. The upper part show me some notification for activate your account with Gmail. Go to your Gmail and click this bar. After that, you click on J logo, and click on profile. It shows you screen like this. Now, we fill all the categories one by one. Firstly, add your logo. You have to choose that has a picture of you, or that shows your skills. I add the logo that shows my skills. After that, you write your niche according to skills. Like I write, YouTube videographer. Now, second category is description. Click on edit, and write your skills, hobbies. Just like I write. Now, third category is language. English is must add. And if you know any other languages, you can add. Like, I know basic Turkish, so I can add this. Now, fourth category is skills. Add your skills, like I write. Now, fifth category is education. Add your education. The last category is certificate. If you have any certificate, then add, otherwise it is not necessarily. So, that's how we created account. I hope you learned very well. Thanks for watching.